Happy Friday! Victoria, what's up? How you doing? Let me see what you got on. Oh, you just chilling today, huh? Okay. See what your foot look like. You ain't wear them pink sneakers yet.
We getting up there.
Okay. So who asked you what today? I'm getting sick of them kids. Straight to the refrigerator. Yo, your mama took something to work. I said, y'all ain't gonna have no ticket for the family reunion.
No, it's noticeable.
It's what?
Noticeable.
I gotta put it in a whole nother pan. I gotta put it in a whole nother pan because of y'all.
What we do, y'all?
Because you finna eat a piece now.
No, I'm eating grapes.
Well, it's Friday. Peace be unto you.